What's going on, guys? Honda 614, welcome back. Sorry I ain't uploaded in a while, had some stuff going on, but today we are actually down in the little garage. Right now we're going to be working on the 2006 Honda Accord. Right now we are going to be removing the starter out of it. The starter is going dead in it, and actually I think it's actually completely dead. Let's see, let's get up in here real quick. Oh, I forgot to unhook the battery already. But anyways, like I said, we're going to be doing that right now. So stay tuned. Give me a second, I'm going to get underneath the car and we'll get right back at it. Alright guys, we are back here now. Alright, so I don't know. So right there, it's hard to get my hand in there right now, but right there's the starter. What we got to do first, it's easier to see from this side, but right underneath the manifold there, you got 2 10s and a 12 right there, that little bracket. We got pop, let's see if I can get my hand there. We got pop this bracket off here first. That's what we're going to do first. That's the start of it. And then we'll go from there. So let's speed this up. I'll come back to you after I get it off. Alrighty guys, so we got that bracket off up there. You can tell it is no longer there. And like I said, see if I can get my hand in there. Oh, there. Like I said, it was this bracket that was sitting right here. 1, 2, and 3 there. 2 10s and a 12. And then now what we're going to do, we're going to try to squeeze our hand up there and take off that little green. I don't know if you'll be able to see from this angle because of my light. But let's see if I can move this around a little bit. Make it a little easier for you guys to see. I don't know if you guys will be able to. So this bracket here, this green one there, we're going to take that off. Alright guys, we got that one. Let's see if I can get my hand up there. Sorry, it's awkward the way I'm sitting, but we got that one off. Now we're going to move over to this one up here and pop that off. Pull out on the tabs. There we go. You don't gotta do this, it just makes it sometimes easier just to give it some flexibility, you know. Now we're gonna go up for the bolts, and they're a little bit tricky. First bolt sits underneath. See if I can get my hand up there. First bolt sits up there underneath the manifold. It's hard to see. And then the second bolt is back here where my finger is. It's hard to see too, but right there. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start with the harder one first, and then we're going to move down here. So give me a minute and we'll get back to it. Alright guys, once you get that top bolt out, if you come down underneath right next to the axle, you'll actually see the other one. I already busted it loose, but you can go ahead and start taking that off. So give me a second and we'll get right back to it. Alright, once you pull that out, I don't know if you can see the little black tab up there. So you want to undo that. It's kind of hard with one hand, so let me swap it over here, see if you can see. It's a little bit harder to see over here. But once you swap that out and kind of pull her out a little bit, you want to try, let me move my light around. I can't even see it now from this angle. There it is. You want to push down and try to pull out on that tab. Alright, once you get that tab out, let me see if I can get my hand back up in there. You want to pull this out. There's a little 13 right there for your positive wire. You want to pop that 13 off and then pull her out. Alright, correction. That bolt is a 13, or a 12, sorry. I said 13. But it is a 12, and then once you get that out, just kind of maneuver it around, and she will come on out. Give me a second. I gotta run to the parts store, drop off the core, pick up the new one, and we'll get back to it. What's going on, guys? We are back with the new starter now. Take all this stuff off, and we're gonna jump right in and put it in. Actually, pop the cap off. Keep that on there because we don't use that at all. We just need this piece right here. I know either later today or tomorrow I gotta run back to Lowe's and exchange my Craftsman snap-on. I was using it at the junkyard one day. Snapped right off when I was getting parts for the CRX. So I gotta get a new one. Take that back. I'll probably take the whole kit back. Hopefully they just give me a whole new kit with all the other screwdrivers in it, just in case. Just in case these were a bad one and they break too, you know, never know. Alright, let's go ahead and get underneath and get this put back in. Hop down on my crawler here. Now, we are going to have fun putting this back in. What we're going to do is we're going to start with the bottom bolt, get it in, just get it finger on there, you know, just enough where you can still wiggle it around, just so you can align the top, make it a little bit easier. I'm going to see if I can get my other stand and put this somewhere up in the bay, maybe over there, magnetize it, just so maybe we can be able to see. Let's see what we can do. This one here. Bada bing. You literally have no room here. Hell, on my 04 Civic, starter's up on top. It takes me literally like 7 minutes, and that's taking the battery. That's with taking the battery out just to get her. Oh. Now I need to find. I don't know what I did with my. Give me a second, guys. There we go. I accidentally took my ratchet with my 12 upstairs with me. We got that. Sorry, you guys are falling. You guys are falling. There we go. Fitting you a little bit. Right now, all you guys see is my hand. There we go. Oh, you guys fell again. You guys fell. Hopefully we can do it. Get this back over and on. There we go. Got that piece on. There's this here. Let's see. Let's go ahead and snap her in. We're good there. Alright. Now, this comes the little funnest part. Let me get a little bit underneath. There we go. Gotta love where they put it, man. Gotta love where they put it. Go. We're getting it. Slowly but surely it's getting there. There we go. Alright. Grab the bottom bolt like I said. Hard to see. Oh, not in. Alright, she's in there now. And you can't get these bolts mixed up either. The top bolt is way longer. Let's see if you can see that. Top bolt is way longer. Yeah, way longer. So you really can't get it mixed up. nope. Can't go that way with it. There we go. Put the 14 back on it. Oh, so close. So close. Let me grab my other small extension. Give me something a little bit more outwards to grip on. Gotta love where they put them, man. Gotta love where they put them. Alright, let me see. Go this way. And push it up a little bit with my hand. Oh, I just turned you guys again. Alright, that's not working out. Sit back up there. Alright, where's my small ratchet? See if we can get it in there. Probably not. Oh, you guys are dropping. You guys are dropping. Really not trying to magnetize here to anything. Yes, that's about it right there. There we go. See, we'll get my hand out of the way. It's going slowly but surely. Let's see if we can move you up a little bit so you guys can actually see where I'm at. Move my light over so I can see if you guys can see that. I don't know if you guys can. Oh yeah, you guys can see the bolt right there. Yeah, you guys can see it right there. Anyway, that's where we're at. Oh, she's coming off. Coming off. Let's see if I can get her back on there. There we go. Ratchet's coming off. Let's go ahead and move you back over here. My hand is going to be in the way for a minute. I hope not. Yeah, too bad. It might tighten up here in a minute or two. Might have to tune back in till next week, and then it might finally be tightened. There we go. Get a couple more good snugs on it. One. Oh yeah, there we go. She's snug now. Oh. Bada bing, bada boom, bada boom, bada bing, bada bing, bada boom. Now, I might not be able to get that back on that one. Oops, she's a dropping. Where'd you go? There we go, got her down. Alright, let's see if we can. Oh. They got that place. That one a little bit awkward where that's at. Where you go? There we are. Let's go ahead. Snip that one up there. I don't know if we can bend this out a little bit or not. Probably not. I think it got bent when it was getting shipped. Let's go ahead and see if we can pry this out a little bit. And it came out on us, guys. She came out on us. Let's see if we can get it going in this way here. Gotta give it a little. There we go. So close. Come on. Ow. Hit my funny bone. It wasn't so funny. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see because my hand is in the way. You see you're coming along. It's almost done. Once we get done with this, we'll make sure everything, all the wire brackets that I popped off, make sure we put them back on, just so no wires are flopping around. Get up, hook the negative back onto the battery, and give her a crank and see if she starts. For a short bolt, they go a long way, man. There she goes, getting a little bit of resistance. Yeah. Well, she was getting a little bit of resistance. There we go. Yeah. There we go. Got it on there now. Alright. Now, let's see if we can get this bad boy on there where it goes. Where did it go? Right here. There we go, that's on. And I know there's one more somewhere. Right there. Alright. One more up here. See if I can get that back on. Oh, so close. It's hard to do with one hand. Now, let's see. There's that. Now we just gotta put this bracket back on, which is real easy. All it is is 2 10s and a 12. See if we can get her in there. Might be a little pain in the butt a little bit. Let's see, as long as we can get it started. Here, let me at least start with this bottom one here. There we go. Start with one bottom one. Come up here. Start with that one. Grab the other bolt. See if we can squeeze her in there. Squeeze her in there. Now we're gonna do this a little easy way. Grab that and then it. Do this a little easy way. Now let me get my 12. Ooh. Let's see if I can get my hand up in there on the 12. Now let's see if I can even get her off. A little rusted. Alright. Grab my tools out. Let's not forget the light. Yep. All right. Let's head. Let's head out. Whew. I can see clearly now. The dark is gone. Let's slap you up right there real quick. Crack her open. And we are going to go ahead and hook the negative back up to it. Make sure it's all cleaned off. I do need a new battery though. This one's just, no, not really. I just need to clean her up some. That's really all I need to do. Clip her back on there. I need to get new terminal pieces for this. There we go. That's tight. That's tight. Alright. Grab my hat. Yeah. Make sure. Alright. Try her out. And she is good to go. Alright. Well, we're gonna end the video. We're gonna end the video here. If you liked what I did, you know, always leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. If anything, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, notification bell. I'm gonna start doing more videos, especially on my CRX. I actually went and got a relay for that. We actually did get it to crank over right now, so making real good progress on that. Like I said, hit the subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Peace.